Do you want to know how your competitors are ranking in Google and how you can do it too? The key is, of course, in their keywords. And today we'll show you 3 ways how to find your competitors' keywords, plus a bonus tip that you do not want to miss. Let's dive in. First things first, Keyword Planner by Google is a free tool that helps uncover competitor keywords. All you need to do to see the keywords your digital rivals are targeting in their campaigns is open Keyword Planner, click Discover New Keywords, select Start with a website, enter your competitor's domain, pick a language and a region, and then hit Get Results. Done! Keep in mind, though, that Google favors paid search data and groups similar keywords together. Next, let's talk about Bing Keyword Planner. It works similarly to Google Keyword Planner, but with data pulled exclusively from Bing Search. All you need to do is open Keyword Planner and choose Search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or a category. Then fill out the form and add the website or the URL you want to analyze. That's it. Keep in mind that Bing's data comes from Microsoft Ads, and while it's useful, it's more limited for organic SEO insights compared to Google. Now, if you want unlimited access to competitor organic and paid keywords, SEO Ranking gives you the full picture. Start by entering your competitor's domain into the competitive research tool. Study the Keywords tabs to see all of the keywords that your competitors rank for in organic and paid search. Analyze key metrics, search volume, keyword difficulty, and SERP feature lists. Filter by ranking position, search intent, or difficulty to target easy wins. Do you want to see what your competitors rank for but you do not? Then use the competitor comparison tool to analyze multiple sites side by side to uncover keyword opportunities. Now, for the bonus tip, find new keywords your competitors just started ranking for. Open a project and go to the Insights tool. Check competitors' new keywords to spot search queries that your competitors started to rank for in the last 30 days. Now, along with the search volume, keyword difficulty, position, you will see other metrics. This is super handy if you want to find emerging trends and new ideas. Now, over to you. Start researching competitors' keywords with SEO Ranking to gain a competitive edge. Try it today. Link is in the description.